India is a country with crop varieties that are as diverse as the land, its people, cultures, languages, and so on. However, many of these varieties were lost or forgotten when the Green Revolution saw farmers being asked to forego indigenous varieties for lab-designed high-yielding varieties to ensure better productivity. With the urban hunger for a healthier lifestyle increasing in the recent years, many traditional varieties with amazing health benefits are seeing a gradual resurgence. Here is a list of top 10 hidden gems from Indian fields that deserve to be better known in the rest of the country. Without further delay, let's get into the video. Number 1. Dhyana rice, Karnataka. Grown mostly in Karnataka, Dhyana rice is a parboiled variety packed with vitamins and minerals. Its high fiber content combined with a low glycemic index, the rice releases sugar slowly into the bloodstream, makes it ideal for people with diabetes. It is also a great option for people on a diet. Number 2. Jangora, Uttarakhand. An indigenous variant of barnyard millet, Jangora grows in the high altitudes of Uttarakhand. Also called sawak or shyama ka chawal in Hindi, Jangora is a nutritional powerhouse with high levels of protein, calcium, iron, minerals and vitamin B complex. It is also low in carbohydrates and gluten-free, making it an excellent grain for those with gluten allergies, type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Number 3. Jamun powder, Jharkhand. Packed with nutrients like protein, calcium, iron, minerals, vitamins, fructose minerals, and a multitude of antioxidants, the humble jamun has a host of health benefits. Other than reducing cholesterol and improving digestion, skin health and eyesight, jamun also helps control blood sugar levels in diabetics. A compound called jambalin present in jamun seeds is known to prevent the conversion of starch into sugar. Cooperatives of tribal farmers in Jharkhand make jamun powder for a living. Number 4. Bamboo rice, Karnataka. The fiber-rich and calorie-dense kernels of bamboo rice are actually seeds of bamboo flowers collected by tribal people in Karnataka. Locally called mulleri, it is hard to collect as the flowering pattern of bamboo is highly unpredictable and can vary from 5 years to 50 years. It has a slightly sweet wheat-like taste and can be used as a substitute for both wheat as well as rice. It helps in detoxification of body, improving reproductive health and relieving rheumatic pain. Number 5. Navara rice, Kerala. A unique medicinal rice grown in the Palakkad district of Kerala, Navara rice holds an important place in the Ayurveda and is used on its own or in combination with other herbs to treat several diseases. Navara rice bran oil is also used to relieve a multitude of painful conditions like cervical spondylosis, stiff joints, backache and rheumatoid arthritis. In Kerala, a decoction of water left over from boiling this rice and herbs is consumed as a traditional drink called karkadakangi. Number 6. Red rice known as Matta rice. Packed with plenty of antioxidants and double the zinc and iron as white rice, red rice is grown majorly in 3 regions in India, in Shimla Valley of Himachal, where it's locally known as Kohartu, in Patni region of Maharashtra, where it's known as Patni, and in Palakkad region of Kerala, Matta rice. This low-sugar rice variety has a luscious red color, nutty flavor and firm texture, making it a great option for diabetics. Number 7. Chukhau black rice, Manipur. Grown in the hills of Manipur, chukhau or black rice is full of heart-healthy anthocyanins, the antioxidant that gives the unpolished rice its brilliant purple hue, vitamins, minerals, iron and fiber. Sticky in nature, it has a sweet, slightly nutty flavor that is exemplified in the Manipuri black rice kheer. Eating black rice can help protect the body against various ailments like heart diseases, obesity, inflammation and cancer. Number 8. Nettle leaf tea, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. From anemia and arthritis to respiratory disorders and urinary infections, the benefits of the stinging nettle are numerous. A natural diuretic, it is widely consumed in the Himalayan states of Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, where it locally known as bichu budi or shirshu sag. The easiest way to consume this super nutritious leaf is by boiling it to make a cup of tea. Not only is it a blood purifier, its anti-inflammatory properties helps relieve aches and sore muscles. Number 9. Garlic rock salt, Himachal Pradesh. A flavorful fusion of natural Himalayan rock salt with roasted garlic. This artisanal salt is far superior in terms of health as well as taste to your iodized table salt. Highly regarded in the Ayurvedic tradition, rock salt improves digestion, boosts metabolism, lowers blood pressure, and reduces sugar cravings. Its combination with garlic, which also helps reduce blood pressure and sugar levels, makes it a better alternative to table salt for people with hypertension or diabetes. Number 10. Karbi Anglong Ginger, Assam. The Karbi Anglong district in Assam produces the best organic ginger in the world, and yet few people in India know about it. This low-fiber nutrient-rich ginger yields high quantities of dry rhizomes and spicy oleoresin oil, used in the food industry. Its multiple health benefits, from reducing muscle pain and nausea to improving cardiovascular health, comes from its main bioactive compound, gingerol, that has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Hope you enjoy this video. Please do subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you for watching.